In recent years, the United States has imposed a series of stringent sanctions against Chinese telecommunications giant Huawei, escalating tensions between the two countries and significantly impacting the global technology landscape. These sanctions, initiated by the US government over concerns related to national security and alleged intellectual property theft, have targeted Huawei's access to essential components and software needed for its various products and services. By restricting the company's ability to source cutting-edge semiconductor chips and utilize popular software platforms such as Android and Google mobile services, the US aims to stifle Huawei's growth and limit its influence in the international market. However, Huawei have worked hard, invested heavily in R&D, and after a few years of pain, have emerged stronger. In today's video, we'll be diving into the company's key areas of focus, including Huawei's steady growth, heavy investment in R&D, and the first-time disclosure of their business units. Huawei have been navigating through challenging external environments and non-market factors that have impacted their operations. However, despite these adversities, the company has continued to push forward and maintain its commitment to innovation and growth. Huawei's ability to maintain steady growth amidst challenging external environments is a testament to their resilience and strategic planning. As countries around the world turn to digital economies as a counterweight against economic downturns, Huawei has positioned itself as a key player in digitalization, intelligence, and green development. Huawei estimates that by 2027, their addressable markets will exceed $1 trillion, opening up abundant growth opportunities for the company. To take advantage of these opportunities, Huawei has established multiple industry-focused teams such as finance, mining, government and public services, transportation, and electric power. These specialized teams work closely with partners to create industry-specific solutions, leveraging Huawei's technologies and capabilities to become the preferred partner for businesses going digital, intelligent, and green. One such example of this is Tianjin Smart Port. Located 60 kilometers from downtown Tianjin, this port is the world's first smart zero-carbon shipping terminal. This fully automated terminal utilizes 5G, cloud computing, AI, and robotics to streamline operations. China's push towards automation comes as a response to labor shortages and supply chain disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Tianjin port operates a fleet of 76 fully automated driverless vehicles, saving millions in labor costs and significantly reducing manual planning time. The port's capacity for intelligent planning shortens vessel processing time from 20 hours to just 10 minutes. With over 21 million cargo containers processed annually, the smart port drastically improves efficiency and safety by minimizing human error. The automated system can process up to 36 containers per hour, compared to 28 at a conventional terminal. The Tianjin Port Group and Huawei are collaborating to create a digital twin of the Tianjin port, hoping to upgrade and transform existing terminals worldwide. Despite political tensions, trade between the US and China remains robust, emphasizing the importance of ports in the global supply chain. And Huawei has made the Tianjin project a priority, aiming to tap into the global smart port market projected to reach $11.5 billion by 2030. In addition, Huawei has continued to optimize its business portfolio, striking a balance between well-established business domains and new pioneering domains. This diverse portfolio includes ICT infrastructure, smart devices, cloud services, digital power, and intelligent automotive solutions. Huawei's Richard Yu recently announcing that Huawei will partner with an additional 3 car manufacturers to increase its production capacity of vehicles under their Ito brand. These cars are equipped with Huawei components and their Harmony OS operating system. Together with these new partners, Huawei will develop new models including SUVs, sedans, and multi-purpose vehicles. In the last 12 months, the Ito brand has sold 80,000 cars in the Chinese domestic market. Research and development play a crucial role in Huawei's ability to innovate and maintain a competitive edge in the industry. Huawei has always prioritized R&D, investing heavily to ensure business continuity and product competitiveness. In 2022, Huawei invested $23.5 billion in R&D, significantly more than Samsung, Intel, or Qualcomm, and a record 25.1% of revenue. Following US sanctions, they have made significant progress in component replacement, board redesign, operating systems, databases, product development tools, and more. Recently, Huawei announced the development, together with industry partners, of tools and software to develop silicon chips of 14 nanometer scale, which will mean that Chinese companies will no longer need to rely on US technology for this node of chips. Huawei's R&D efforts also extend to its supply chain, investing in quality improvement alongside suppliers to deliver high-quality products and services to customers. And by relentlessly pursuing innovation and quality, Huawei demonstrates its dedication to maintaining a leading position in the industry and ensuring its long-term success. At its annual results press conference this year, Huawei disclosed its business units for the first time, offering valuable insights into the company's strategic direction and future growth. This first-time disclosure highlights the diversity and resilience of Huawei's business portfolio, which includes ICT infrastructure, smart devices, cloud services, digital power, and intelligent automotive solutions. By unveiling these business units, Huawei demonstrates its commitment to transparency and its determination to optimize its portfolio to improve resilience, seize growth opportunities, and to better address the unique needs and challenges of different industries. Huawei has established multiple industry-focused teams, including finance, mining, government and public services, transportation, and electric power. These independent units work closely with partners to create industry-specific solutions, leveraging Huawei's technologies and capabilities to become the preferred partner for industries as they embrace digital, intelligent, and green development. By evolving and expanding its business units, the company remains poised to capitalize on emerging opportunities and solidify its position as a global technology leader. As we've seen, Huawei's steady growth, heavy R&D investments, and first-time disclosure of business units paint an optimistic picture. Huawei is focused on unlocking new growth opportunities by enabling digitalization, intelligence, and green development of industries. The company estimates its addressable markets will exceed $1 trillion by 2027. To seize these opportunities, Huawei will continue to optimize its business portfolio, improve resilience, and strengthen the synergy between chips, software, hardware, devices, networks, and the cloud. Huawei aims to maintain its reputation for high quality and win over customers through exceptional products and services. In the face of external challenges, Huawei remains determined to rise above them by focusing on a resilient business portfolio, unique competitive edge, trust of customers and partners, and the courage to invest heavily in research and development. As Huawei continues to navigate the rapidly changing technology landscape, its strategic initiatives, combined with a robust and diverse business portfolio, lay a solid foundation for sustainable survival and development in the years ahead. I hope you did find that video interesting. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with friends and relatives. And if you do like the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. But as always, for now, take care.